always the important characters of the movie. They remain silent and keep their value to themselves, but later will realize that these values really have no value and how bad they are when someone tries to argue with them. They show themselves horses are exactly like that. They show themselves to be calm, but in reality they have a bad nature. Anyone who wants to play with horses, he regrets it and may come back with broken bones. That is exactly what we will see together today. It's like they're very concerned about their safety when a bear walks past them and acts like it's not there. The huge predator didn't like it too much and decided to remind the wolf how powerful it can be. It was a very good reminder of who was in control of that fight. The wolves at their bear was getting into their food. They surrounded it, but they didn't dare to do anything. The bear moved on without noticing them, and the wolves didn't move. They were really afraid. He decided to make food and enjoy eating it in front of their eyes and to worry about it. There could be no greater proof of how strong bears are than this bear and approaching it is being of war. Never leave, they don't retreat in front of their enemy. As you can see, a group of wild animals made bad decisions. With a group of horses fights and quarrels just thinking about it. They were ruining and ending their lives. It wasn't very good for those animals to ambush the horses because the horses moved so fast are famous. We didn't get to see the start of this fight to explain. What happened it was not very good. The wolf must have been really hungry to do such a dare, and he tried to attack the horse and draw papers because he didn't know how to do and overcome. He was not alone, and he paid for him with his life here. It's a sad atmosphere now that they all couldn't even bring down. A horse's confidence and staying home can sometimes be more powerful than fighting, and it is very clear. He managed to overcome all those wolves. He kicked them and threw them, but the wolves didn't stop trying. They really wanted to kill them. Which is tall and purposeful. He made the horses. He is doing a very dangerous job and is looking for bad trouble. He is not aware that if the horse tries to kick him, he will have to pay for it with his. We see a group of horses being chased by wolves, but the horses will kill the wolves in their silence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please let us know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Please turn on your notification bells on channel to see a new video when I was uploaded. See you next one.